Today, I'm thrilled to share insights into the mysterious and largely unexplored deep ocean. This vast and enigmatic part of our planet holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. The deep ocean is home to some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures. These species have adapted to extreme conditions of darkness, cold, and high pressure. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, is a testament to the unique adaptations required for survival in such an environment. Furthermore, the deep sea plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The deep sea ecosystems also contribute to the cycling of nutrients, essential for supporting life both in the ocean and on land. In conclusion, the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness and mystery. It's a vital part of our world, with profound implications for environmental science and biology. As we continue to explore these depths, we unlock more of Earth's hidden wonders. Octopuses are creatures renowned for their remarkable intelligence and adaptability. These mysterious inhabitants of the deep offer insights into the complexity and wonders of marine life. Octopuses are known for their extraordinary cognitive abilities. They can solve puzzles, navigate mazes, and even use tools, demonstrating a level of intelligence that challenges our understanding of animal behavior. For instance, their ability to escape from secure tanks in aquariums has baffled scientists and underscored their problem-solving skills. Furthermore, their unique biology is equally captivating. Octopuses can change color and texture to blend into their surroundings, an incredible adaptation for both hunting and evading predators. This camouflage ability, combined with their intelligence, makes them one of the most intriguing species in the ocean. The study of octopuses not only fascinates us but also deepens our appreciation for the diversity and complexity of life in our oceans. Their intelligence and adaptability continue to inspire and intrigue the scientific community and beyond. In today's lecture, I'm thrilled to share the inspiring story of Jane Goodall, a name synonymous with groundbreaking primate research and unwavering dedication to conservation. Her journey is a testament to the power of passion and perseverance. Jane Goodall's venture into the Gombe Stream National Park in Tanzania revolutionized our understanding of chimpanzees. Her patient, immersive observation methods led to astonishing discoveries, such as the use of tools by chimps, previously believed to be a unique human trait. This challenged the scientific community's perception of the animal kingdom and emphasized our close connection to these primates. Goodall's work extends beyond research. Her advocacy for environmental conservation and animal rights has inspired countless individuals to respect and protect the natural world. She demonstrates that one person's commitment can ignite global awareness and action. Jane Goodall's life journey highlights the incredible impact of following one's passion and the significant role we can all play in understanding and preserving our planet. I am excited to talk about the fascinating evolution of astronomy and how it has expanded our understanding of the cosmos. This field, blending ancient observations with modern technology, continues to intrigue and inspire. Astronomy's journey from early stargazing to the use of advanced telescopes illustrates the human quest for knowledge. Ancient civilizations used the stars for navigation and timekeeping, laying the groundwork for today's astronomical achievements. The Hubble Space Telescope, for instance, has allowed us to peer into distant galaxies, reshaping our understanding of the universe. Moreover, the study of astronomy has profound implications for our place in the universe. It challenges us to think beyond our planet, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity. Discoveries about black holes, distant planets, and the possibility of life beyond Earth continue to captivate and motivate future generations of astronomers. The evolution of astronomy is not just a scientific journey. It is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit to understand the universe we inhabit. It reminds us that the sky is not the limit, but just the beginning. The often overlooked impact of urban green spaces on community well-being is yet significant. In our fast-paced urban lives, these natural havens play a vital role in enhancing our quality of life. Urban green spaces, like parks and gardens, provide essential breathing spaces amidst the concrete landscape. They are not just areas of aesthetic beauty but also crucial for mental and physical health. Studies have shown that regular exposure to green spaces reduces stress, improves mood, and encourages physical activity, all of which are vital for a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, these green areas foster community interaction and engagement. They act as social hubs where people of all ages can come together, promoting a sense of belonging and community spirit. This is particularly important in urban settings where isolation and anonymity can be prevalent. In conclusion, urban green spaces are more than just patches of nature in our cities. They are essential components for enhancing community well-being. As we move forward, prioritizing and preserving these spaces is crucial for the health and happiness of urban populations.